What's up, YouTube? We're here back with another one. I got these two designs here. Well, yeah, these two leaves. And what I noticed was that they're so thin, and there's a little known tip here for Inkscape that's going to keep you from breaking these things. So I printed these out, and when I tried to push it out of the wood, it snapped in half. And then with this bottom one here, it's even thinner. As you can see, the stem in between the leaves, it's thin, like twice as thin as this other one. I couldn't even get that out without breaking it like 4 or 5 times in a place. So simple fix here. You highlight it, you go up here to the top, click path, and then go to Outset. And then, when you click Outset, if you see that the branches and the stems and things don't get thick, make sure you click Ungroup first. So go to Path, go to Object, Ungroup. And let's do that a couple times here, just in case. Ungroup. Now see how that second square just popped up? That means that there's something else there. So let's move it. It's the leaves. Because you can't do an outset when the image is grouped together with another image. So when there's 2 images grouped together, you can't outset it. It has to be a single image. So now that this is all alone here, we're going to go up here to Path and then click Outset. Let's do it again. There might be something else still there. Ungroup, Object, Ungroup. I'm not seeing anything. So let's go to Path, Outset. There we go. So sometimes you just have to click Ungroup a few times. Let's go ahead and do this. I want to show you the comparison. Let's go ahead and ungroup this second one a few times, because I want you to see the difference. I clicked Outset 1 time on the one on the left, and you can see how it's thinner. See that? It's noticeably thinner. Let me click it one more time. Go to Path and click Outset. See that? Now when I print that one out, it's not going to break unless I apply a lot of force. That one will pop out nice and easy. It still looks like the same leaf. The stem is thick, so it gives you a little more room for air and it won't break on you. Okay, so this is Inkscape, and that was how to outset an image. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any more questions, comment below, like and subscribe. Bye.